Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $2,497 passive income using ChatGPT AI 2. I'm going to show you how I use this method with affiliate marketing. And if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing means basically promoting someone else's product and actually earning commission from every sales that you drive to it. So I'm going to show you this amazing trick that you can reuse that you can use to make over $3,000, even more than the amount that I'm displaying on the screen. So you can use this to make a lot of money online. So I'm going to share with you some affiliate programs that you can actually join. You can actually join clickbank.com. Clickbank is pretty much one of the largest affiliate network out there that provide digital and physical product that you can promote online. And we also have Amazon Associate, which is the affiliate program you need to join to promote any of the Amazon products that you can see on Amazon. And we also have Digital 24. We also have JVZoo and Commission Junction. There's a lot of affiliate program out there. But for this video, we're going to be making use of Amazon Associates because the product that we want to actually promote and make money off is found on Amazon. So if you want to sign up for Amazon Associate, go to Amazon Associates. I think associate.amazon.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description to sign up for Amazon Associates. And when you sign up for Amazon Associates, you're going to be brought into this dashboard. But before we actually go into this product, I want to tell you the product we're going to be facing. We're going to be talking about solar generator for RV vans. So solar generator is a really popular product for a lot of people that stay off grid, that go on camping trip or actually traveling in a van. So solar generator is a really item on your list that they actually use a lot. So that's the product we're going to be promoting, and I wanted to do a keyword research first to know the amount of traffic that is coming from that keyword. So we're going to be using Uber Suggest. So on Uber Suggest, I already typed it in solar generator for RV van. You can see solar generator for RV is bringing in 2,400 volume, that's 2,400 visitors per month, and the SEO difficulty is about 51%. And we also have solar generator of RV 1,900 of visitors per month, and it brings the SEO difficulty is about 43%. And this is really good, and you can actually write articles for these keywords, and you can actually rank them on Google. So I'm going to show you how you can rank them and how way you can actually post this article and actually start making money from it. So what we're going to do is going to go to openai.com. So if you guys don't know, OpenAI is pretty much the company that actually created ChatGPT. Just go to the website and scroll down and click on Tried ChatGPT. And when you click on Tried ChatGPT, it's going to show you a place where you just have to sign up, or if you already have an account, just sign in. But for me, I actually sign up using my Google account, so you can sign up using a Google account if you want, or you can create a password and whatever. You go through the sign up process if you want to create an account with ChatGPT or OpenAI. So when you've created your account and stuff, you just go to OpenAI. You'll be brought to this page, the ChatGPT dashboard. So I already created the content while using ChatGPT. I actually told ChatGPT to write a 1,000-word article on the best solar generator for RV van. So it pretty much just wrote the entire article and listed out some solar generator that I could find on Amazon, and I can actually put my affiliate link referring people that want to buy this specific model, and when they buy through my affiliate link, I will earn commissions. You can see the amount of details that it wrote on each solar generator. It wrote the Rockpower 400 watts portable solar generator. It wrote a lot of solar generator, and I think it stopped here. Then I told it to write 2 more paragraphs and then conclude the article. The next step I did after getting the entire article, I just copied everything. When I copied it, I took it first to word counter, and I pasted it here, and you can see it was 944 words in total that ChatGPT created for us, and it took literally like 5 minutes or less to create this entire article that ChatGPT just made. It created it automatedly using AI. The next step to do before we actually publish this article is to go to plagiarismdetector.net. And plagiarism basically means reusing someone else's content that's already on the net. So pretty much I went to plagiarism detector and pasted the entire article. I'm just gonna scroll down so you guys see exactly it's the same thing you saw on ChatGPT that is currently on plagiarism.net. So when I scroll down after checking for plagiarism, it comes out at 100% unique. So pretty much, I've seen a lot of people saying ChatGPT is not fully like it doesn't create its content fully, or most of the time it comes with errors, and most of the content are found to be to contain plagiarism. Yeah, I've actually run into that situation before, but for today's video and for today's article, it came out 100% unique. But in case your article came out with plagiarism, go to quillbot.com and paste in your article, and it's going to paraphrase and rewrite some of the words in your article so you can have less plagiarism in your content and be able to publish that and rank those content on Google, because content that contain plagiarism will not rank on Google. That's just straight fact. So after that, the next step is to publish our content. So the site we're going to be using to publish our article that ChatGPT just created, that we just created with ChatGPT is medium.com, or you can use googlesite.com. So I actually created a video back in 2020 showing you guys how you can create a website using sites.google.com. You can go and watch that video. I'm going to drop it up in the cards and also in the description of this video if you guys want to check it out. Also, I'm going to be using Medium for this video. So pretty much just sign up for a Medium account, and when you get to the page, just click on this right button here, and what we need to do is paste in our you just need to paste in your article that you created from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go to Medium and I'm going to click on Tell Story, and I'm going to click on Paste. Pretty much, let me just X this out. So what's is going to happen is we're going to have our entire article right here. We can actually just number them, because this is number 1 to make it organized. You can just do that. Okay, this is number 2. Just keep doing this, and what we need to do is you can add images to your blog article. You can add pictures. You can add then what you need to do is when you get to, let's say we want to find this products, I have a certain product that I want to show you guys that ChatGPT should also. Okay, I'm going to be printing out jQuery Explorer 240 portable power station. So I'm going to copy it and go to Amazon.com. And this is what I'm telling you guys, that why we need Amazon. You need to sign up for the Amazon Associate if you're going to follow this method. So when you paste this particular product on the search engine, you're going to find the particular model that it listed out. So I think, okay, is it the jQuery 240? No, I don't think it's the jQuery 240. So let me just find the product quickly and get back to you guys. Oh yeah, this is the product. So let's say we want to put the affiliate link for this particular product. Just go to Amazon, search for the products, and you're going to find the product like right here. So this is the product. So what we need to do is click on the product and go to text right here. That's why I said you need to sign up for the Amazon Associate. If you don't sign up for the Amazon Associates, you won't see this Amazon Associate banner up here on the Amazon page. So we're going to wait for this to load. When it's displayed the Amazon affiliate link, you just need to copy that, and we're just going to wait for it. You can actually choose short link or full link. For me, I'm going to use short link. So what we need to do is to copy this link, Ctrl C, and pretty much go to medium.com, and I'm just going to copy, and you need to click this check icon to actually insert this affiliate link. So when you click on it, you can see right now this particular word is underlined to tell you that there is a link attached to this text. So you just need to do the same for each and every one of the product that is in our article. So the next thing you just have to do is add images to make the article look good. And the last thing you guys need to do, so before publishing this article, the next thing you need to do is write a disclaimer. So write it because first of all, if you put affiliate links on Medium, your chances of getting your article removed from the platform is high, because Medium does not allow promoting affiliate links. So if you want to promote affiliate links or your content contains links, before publishing your article, write a disclaimer saying that the links that the article contains some affiliate links. That means whenever they click the link and buy a product through your link, that you earn a commission. You need to write a disclaimer here so your content doesn't get taken down by Medium, because that is one of the rules on Medium. If you just post in affiliate links, publish your article, you will get your article taken down. So ensure you add a disclaimer stating that you have affiliate links for each product that you are mentioning in this review, so you don't get removed, so your account doesn't get suspended or your article taken down. So write a disclaimer, add images, and also, like I said, you can just add some touch up by making the article look more beautiful by adding images, and you can make some of the text bold. It's super easy to edit stuff with medium.com. So this is pretty much how you're gonna use ChatGPT, and you just have to publish this article. I'm not gonna publish this right now because I've not really done the entire work. So just add your images, add your affiliate links, and when anybody buys any of the product through your link, like this product, so currently this product costs about $1,199. Let's say we want to calculate the amount of commission we might get from this product. Let's say this product has a commission rate of 3%. So 3% multiplied by $1,199. So that's 3,597 divided by 100. Okay. That means we're gonna be earning $35.97 per sale. So for example, you actually got you went on to get about 100 sales. That means you're gonna be earning $3,597 off this method. So affiliate marketing is really a great way you can make money off. So if you guys want to check out ChatGPT, I'm going to drop the link in the description box below. Check it out and start making money with this. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my future content. So that's it for today's video. Peace.